guys, it's Techisel here, and today we have got the Xiaomi Redmi S2, and today in this video we are going to unbox this. So let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. This phone was launched in the middle of year 2018, and it's a mid-range phone. And today in this video we are going to unbox this, and we will also talk about every single thing about this phone. So let's get straight to it. Let's cut off the tape. So here we got this to cut it. Let me keep it here. Let's keep it here, and here we got the phone. You can see the phone here. You can see this is the 32 GB variant, and it got 3 GB of RAM, and the color of this phone is gold. Here you can see the phone. So here we got the phone. This is the gold variant of this phone. You can see this on the screen. The front panel is white, and this is the box. Let's see what do we have in the box. Maybe here we got a back cover. Oh yeah, here we got a back cover. Transparent back cover actually, and we also got the manual of the phone. I don't know who will read it because I don't need to read the manual. And here we got an USB cable. This is not a Type-C cable, it's a micro USB cable. And here we got the adapter. It's 5V 2A adapter. Oh, sorry. And here we also got a SIM ejector tool. Let's put it here, and let's eject the SIM tray. Let's see what it is, hybrid or dedicated slot. Okay, here we got dedicated slot for a SD card. It's a triple SIM tray. I don't have any SIM now or a SD card, so let's insert it again. Here we got the 16 megapixel camera of it. It's a thing to highlight. And there we got the primary microphone and the notification light and the selfie flash. And on the top we got the IR blaster and the secondary noise cancellation microphone, and here we got the 3.5mm jack. Good thing they still have this. And here you can see the dual camera setup. The primary camera is 12 megapixel, and then we got a single flash, and the secondary camera is 5 megapixel for depth sensing. And then we got the fingerprint sensor, and here we got the MI branding, and there is something written here. And here we got the speaker grills and the USB charging port. And we didn't get any Type-C cable with it. Now time to boot the device. Hey guys, it has been turned on, and It's running on MIUI 10, the custom UI of Xiaomi, designed for full screen experience. Now we have to choose the country. Wi-Fi, let's skip it. Terms of services, okay, I have to accept them. I didn't insert any SIM card. Now let me set up my fingerprint. It was so fast. Default is okay. Now it's loading apps. While it is loading apps, let me talk about the phone. The display size is 5.99 inch, but the pixel density is only 269 ppi. Only 269 ppi with this big screen doesn't make any sense in my opinion. So they should have given more. But there is a Snapdragon 625 chipset inside it, which is so powerful and is really worth your money. Even though it's an old chipset and they are using the same chipset in every device, but there is nothing to complain because it's a powerful chipset and it really worth your money. And only a few companies provide this chipset at this price. It was so fast guys and so accurate. There are two variants available. One comes with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of ROM, and the another one comes with 64GB of ROM and 4GB of RAM. Both have DDR3 RAM. Both of them come with 2 GHz octa-core processor with a Snapdragon 625 chipset. I will test the OTC and NFC connectivity later. Now let me test the face unlocker. Let me turn on the screen, and now I am going to look toward it. Wow. The device just unlocked after looking toward it. So it is so much fast, but it is a less secure way to unlock your device than fingerprint or pattern or password. So guys, I will make more videos about this phone soon, including my opinions. So guys, if you found this video useful, please like it. If you have any question, problem or feedback, please write it in the comment box. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to get more tech and gaming videos like this. Like, comment and subscribe. Visit my website techdigital17.weebly.com for more. You will get the link in the description of this video of my website. And thanks for watching and goodbye. So guys, if you found this video useful, please like it. If you have any question, problem or feedback, please write it in the comment box. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to get more tech and scientific videos like this. Like, comment and subscribe. Work for good. Don't look for the reward. Help others. Don't expect any return. Thanks for watching and goodbye.